In this video, I'm going to give you a quick review of this website. This website was designed for an agri company, and as you can see, it's not interactive at all. So I invite you to join me to look at this website and see what is in it and what's not in it. Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials and also web reviews just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's review this website. First of all, let's take a look at the header section of the website. Personally, I like how wide the header section is. The logo is beautifully placed. However, looking at the logo and the name of the company is not properly aligned. The name should have been in line with the logo that is in the middle right here, or better still, the designer could have broken down the name of the company into 2 lines so that it will align perfectly. Now let's take a look at the search field. The search field is sort of hitting the upper part of the header section. Ideally, in my opinion, it should have been in the middle somewhere here. Now talking about the menu, I like how the menu is placed, very beautiful, and it's also assuming some of the colors of the logo, that is for the active menu. This is perfect, and I like the way the menu is being placed on the border behind here. Perfect. Now looking at the slideshow here for 2021, it's not a current trend at all. These days of website, we should be seeing a hero section here that has a beautifully displayed text and a call to action that will take users to some section or some sections of the website. I am assuming that at this section, these are some of the products they have, and I must say that everything is beautifully displayed, except that looking at the sheep rearing blog, it is not in line with the second row of this very section, and this is a flaw here. And if I were the designer, I would have also linked these various products to their respective pages. That is, if that is what the designer would have on this website. Going down in the middle section here is a message concerning the about of the company, and this is a link which you can click to go to the about page. You can also click on read more to go to the about page. That is cool. And they also have some blocks at the right and left sections of the website, which displays recent posts at the right side and some Twitter feeds. At the left hand side block, they have their recent products featured over there. Going down, they have some videos displayed. I think it's beautiful. You can also click here to see more videos, which I think is linked to this very menu. And bottom here are some of the products they have on their website. And finally, the footer section. The footer section is beautiful. As you can see here, they have some galleries which you can click to go to a particular gallery. They also have their contact details beautifully displayed, and you can also go to their contact form to fill out the form to get in touch with them. Now let's see the about page. Okay, this is how it is. The background of the page is neat, but the design is boring. As you can see, what we do, the same layout as the about. Our team. Okay, this is how our team page look like. It has the staff image, the name, portfolio, and also the specialization. All right. Okay, I think these images are links to the respective staff page. Let me click on the first image. All right, it has the name, the image, portfolio, and specialization. It's having the same information. Let me go back. Okay, the same information. Okay, I personally think that this is not a good practice. Let me go back. Now, if users can see the complete information on our team page, I don't see why they should have a separate page for every single staff, unless of course they want to go deep into who the staff really is. If this is the same information they will have on the respective staff page, then in my opinion, they should have limited the staff details or the staff information to this very page. Okay, now let's head over to products. I think they have only 2 products, which you can click to see the complete product page. Request a quote, which is opening in a new tab. Why do they want to open it in a new tab? Let me go back to products. Click here. Request a quote. Okay, maybe they don't want the visitor to leave the product page when he is viewing it. I get it. The form is beautiful, but I think that it should have covered the whole space in here, just as the additional information field. Okay, let's see gallery. Alright, this is how their gallery is being displayed. That's nice. I'll go in here. Alright, I think they have thumbnails which you can click to see all the images. That's cool. Videos. Okay, they have some YouTube videos displayed on this page. And finally, contact. Right, so they have their contact information here, their physical location, the contact form, and you also find their physical location using Google Maps. That's cool. Now let me head over to the home page, which is very critical when it comes to making a website. Now, making a company website, you may have to design a beautiful and very interactive landing page for your home page. By looking at this very website, everything looks boring. As a designer, this is not the way I will go about it. So after this review, I'm going to send them a proposal to see how best I can redesign this website. That is, if I'm being given the opportunity. So if I happen to send them a proposal and everything goes well, I'll design the website with you. Thank you for doing this review with me, and this is how we do it on this channel. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and we will talk soon.